If you've ever lodged your BAS and then thought, wait, that doesn't look right, don't panic. Seriously, this happens more than you'd think. And the good news is, most BAS mistakes are actually pretty easy to fix. But there is a right way to fix them, and there's a wrong way. And if you choose the wrong one, it can create more issues. So let's walk you through exactly what to do. Before we fix anything, a quick reality check. BAS mistakes are really common, even if your bookkeeping is pretty good. You've got lots of transactions, different GST rules, and sometimes it's just a simple data entry mistake. So it's not really about if something goes wrong, it's usually about when you notice it. And usually you notice it when something just feels off, like things stop matching or the numbers don't look quite right. Some of the most common issues I see are GST claimed incorrectly, transactions missing, or income sitting in the wrong period. And sometimes it's just from making a change after lodging your BAS. So here's where people get stuck. Do you just fix it in your next BAS, or do you go back and amend it? Because both options exist, but they're not interchangeable. And the decision actually comes down to just two things: how big the mistake is and how old it is. That's it. If it's small and recent, you can usually fix it in your next BAS. But if it's bigger or it's from a while ago, then you'll need to amend it properly. Fixing it in the next BAS is the option most people use. You're not going backwards, you're just adjusting it in the next BAS you lodge. So, for example, if you overclaimed GST, you reduce it next time. If you underreported GST, you increase it next time. It's simple and it keeps things moving. But there are limits. And this is where you don't really get a choice. If the mistake is too big or it's too old, you need to amend the original BAS. That just means updating what was originally lodged so the ATO records are correct. And once that's processed, your balance adjusts. The good news is you do have time to fix things, usually up to 4 years. But honestly, the sooner you deal with it, the better. Because the longer it sits there, the harder it is to go back and figure everything out. Records get messy and the details often get forgotten. And if you're thinking, I'll just leave it for now, that's where it can become a problem because the ATO does data matching with banks and other systems. So if something doesn't line up, they may come back to you. And that's when penalties or interest can come into play. But here's the reassuring part. If you fix it yourself first, the ATO is usually a lot more understanding. So this isn't about getting everything perfect. It's just about taking action early. To make this easier going forward, a few simple habits go a long way. Keep your books up to date, reconcile regularly, and double check your GST before lodging. And always take a second look at anything unusual, because that's usually where mistakes sit. So, if you take one thing away from this, BAS mistakes happen, they're completely fixable, but the longer you leave them, the harder they become. So, fix them early and don't ignore them. Thanks for watching Simple Books with Sheridan. And if this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple bookkeeping and tax tips. As always, this is general information only, so speak to a professional if you need advice specific for your situation.